Assalamu alaikum to your class. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Let's start our today's lecture about science. Fifth slot, unit number 11. And the title of the unit is The Earth. Reading book pages for this chapter would be 87 to 93 and the workbook pages are 33 to 37. Okay students, when we are going to learn about the earth, we all know that the earth is a sphere. The earth is like a sphere. Rocks are found on the earth's surface and underground. And in this chapter, we will learn about the earth is made up of different layers. The earth's surface is cool. The center is very hot. There are many kinds of rocks. Some rocks contain minerals. Soil is formed by erosion and the action of the weather is on rock. There are different kinds of soil. Okay, students, let's study about the structure of the earth. Here you can see the picture of the earth. There are three layers on the earth. First one is core, second is mantle and the third one is crust. The core has also two parts which is called inner core and outer core. The center of the earth is called core. As you can see in the image, the brightest yellow part is core and there are two types of core. One is inner core and the second one is outer core. The core is very hot. The inner core is solid but the outer core is liquid molten rock. The mantle is a layer outside the core. This is also a layer of rock. As you can see in the picture, the outer layer is thin. It is called crust. The third layer of the earth is called, the thinner layer of the earth is crust on which we can live. We are living on crust layer of the earth. The crust of the earth has mountains and valleys, deserts and plains. It also has oceans and seas. In some places, the earth's crust is very thin. In other places, it is quite थिक. जैसा कि हमने पढ़ा कि ज़मीन की तीन लेयर्स हैं, कोर, मेंटल और क्रस्ट. कोर सबसे अंदर वाली लेयर जिसे कि बहुत गर्म कहा जाता है, उसमें इनर सॉलिड लेयर और आउटर लिक्विड फॉर्म की लेयर. देन वी हैव लर्न अबाउट मेंटल जो कि कोर के बाहर वाली सेकंड लेयर और फिर क्रस्ट. क्रस्ट सबसे बारीक लेयर जिसके ऊपर हम जो ज़मीन का हिस्सा हमें नज़र आ रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रस्ट. About how earth was formed, how earth was created. Many years ago, the crust of the earth was very hot. As time passed, the earth cooled down and broke up in places. In some places, hot gases escaped. In other places, the crust cracked, shifted or collapsed. Mountains were pushed up and craters or hollows were formed. As you can see in the image. Next paragraph is, in some parts of the world there are volcanoes. A volcano is a place where the hot gases in the earth come to the surface. वो तमाम गैसेस जो ज़मीन के अंदर से ज़मीन की सतह पर आ जाती हैं, that makes volcanoes. So sometimes hot liquid rocks called lava pours out. Lava ज़मीन के फटने की वजह से बाहर आता है. When the lava cools, it forms a rock. Today, the surface of the surrounded by air. हमारे इर्द गिर्द जब भी देखें आप, जहाँ भी देखें, we can see, we can feel air. The quarters of the surface of the earth is covered with the water. The third part of the earth is covered with water. There is a water in the seas and also in the air. In many places, the earth is covered with soil and plants. Next topic is about rocks. There are many different kinds of rocks. They have different colors. To us, all rock seems hard, but some are quite soft. Granite is hard. As you can see the picture of granite, it is hard. It is used to make pillars and roads. Next one is chalks and limestone are soft. Chalk and limestones are soft of rocks. Okay student, firstly we have talked about earth and then we have talked about rocks. हम सब जानते हैं कि रॉक्स ज़मीन में लावा या वोल्केनो फटने से वजूद में आती हैं और इन्हीं रॉक्स के ज़रिए हमें डिफरेंट चीज़ें मिलती हैं जो कि हैं मिनरल्स, मेटल्स एंड प्रीशियस स्टोन्स. फर्स्टली वी विल टॉक अबाउट मिनरल्स. Most rocks contain minerals. Minerals are found all over the world. In some rocks, there is only one mineral. In other rocks, there are many minerals. Rocks also contains metals. As we have talked about that, there are three types of things which we can get from the rocks. The first one was minerals, and then the metal. In metal consists on silver, gold, and iron. As you can see in the picture, these three type of metal you can get from the rocks. Now let's talk about the precious stones. Precious stones are found in some rocks. These are usually deep under the surface and have to be mined. माइनिंग के जरिए आप इन्हें कानों से माइन से निकाल सकते हैं. When they are found, they are very rough. They are cleaned, cut and polished before they are used. इन्हें यूज करने से पहले आपको इन्हें पॉलिश करना है, कट करना और इन्हें साफ करना है बिकॉज ये बहुत रफ फॉर्म में आपके सामने आते हैं. उसके बाद आप इन्हें यूजेबल बनाने के लिए इन पे थोड़ा वर्कआउट करेंगे. एज यू कैन सी देयर इज सम मोर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्रीशियस स्टोन्स. फर्स्ट वन इज एमरल्ड, रूबी, सफायर, डायमंड एंड गार्नेट. All these are very precious stones. While talking about the earth, it is important to talk about the earthquake. Changes on the surface on the earth take place when there is an earthquake. जल्ज़ला आने की वजह से आप देख सकते हैं जैसे कि आपको पिक्चर में शो किया जा रहा है. जल्ज़ले की वजह से ज़मीन मूवमेंट की वजह से आप मैनमेड जो सोर्सेज हैं वो डैमेज होते हैं. उसकी वजह से आप ज़मीन की सरफेस को चेंज होता हुआ देख पाएंगे. Earthquakes can push up mountains. They can also do a lot of damage to the man-made structure as you can see in the picture. Damage caused by the earthquake. Do you know around the world there are millions of earthquakes every year. Most are too small to be felt. Many happens under the oceans. Luckily, very few are big enough to cause damage. Running water and different weather conditions changes the surface of the earth. Rocks are broken up into small pieces over many years. When the weather and the water attack and changes rocks, we call this erosion. Soil and its types. There are three types of soil. One is sand, second is loam, and third one is fertile soil. What is soil? Soil is made by erosion. It is made up of rocks and humus. Humus is matter formed from rotting plants and dead animals. खराब दरख्त और मरे हुए जानवर जब ज़मीन के तह में जाते हैं, that creates humus. Soil is not the same everywhere. As you can see the pictures on this page, there are different types of soil. First, we will discuss about sand soil. Sandy soil is usually found in deserts and at the seashore. Plants do not grow well in sand because it does not hold water well. पानी की मुनासिब फ्रीक्वेंसी ना होने की वजह से यहाँ पर आप पौधे नहीं उगा सकते. In some places, the soil particles are so small they stick together. This kind of soil is called clay. Clay वो मिट्टी जहाँ पर soil के छोटे छोटे particles पानी की वजह से they stick together. On the next page, as you can see the picture of the loam, soil which is a mixture of sand and clay is called loam. This is the best kind of soil for plants, especially crops. It contains a lot of humus. Soil can be different in colors. The minerals in the ground give soil its color. The next one is fertile soil. The best soil for plants to grow in contains एयर, वाटर, मिनरल, सॉल्ट एंड ह्यूमस। इन तमाम चीज़ों के होने पर आपके पास जो ज़मीन सामने आती है वो ज़मीन आपकी फूड क्रॉप्स के लिए बहुत फर्टाइल लैंड कहलाती है। We can improve the quality of soil in many ways. We can dig it and turn it over to allow air to enter, and earthworms also help to turn the soil over. अर्थवर्म और इन तमाम चीज़ों की वजह से आप ज़मीन को खोद कर उसे हवा की नमी पहुंचाने के बाद उस ज़मीन को ज़्यादा फर्टाइल कर सकते हैं। वी कैन वाटर द सॉइल टू मेक इट सॉफ्ट। वी कैन एड मैन्योर टू द केमिकल्स टू द सॉइल टू मेक इट मोर फर्टाइल। हम केमिकल्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपनी ज़मीन को ज़्यादा जरखेज़ बनाने के लिए। काउ डंग एंड डिकेइंग लीव्स आर गुड फॉर्म्स ऑफ मैन्योर। इन दोनों चीज़ों की वजह से हम मज़ीद बेहतर कर सकते हैं अपनी ज़मीन को फूड क्रॉप्स उगाने के लिए। After completing our reading book page, now let's move to the workbook work, which is starting from the page number 33. Part A is watch the video and solve the following. As you can see, the link is given on this page. You have to watch that video, and after watching that video, you have to solve the fill in the blanks given on the page. First one is crust, apple peel. Second one is mantle, fruit. Third one is outer core, and here you can see seed like inner core. Then there is a fill in the blanks, you have to solve it. A part is the apple and the earth have both got dash layers, 4 layers. B is the shape of the earth is spherical. C is the mantle is thicker than the crust. D is the outer core of the earth and an apple is solid. Toward the next page, page number 34, part B, and question number 1 is choose the correct answers. Here you can see there are 4 options for each question and you have to tick on the right option. First one is what is the liquid rock known as when it pours out of a volcano? Crust, chalk, mantle or lava? Your right answer is lava. Question number 2 is how much of the earth's surface is covered with water? 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 or 1 by 6, and your correct answer is part C, which is 3 by 4. Part 3 is what kind of soil contain very small particles which stick together? Sand, loam, clay or humus, and your right answer is clay. Number 4 is what colors are rubies? Green, yellow, red or blue, and the answer is red. 5 question is what gives soil its color? Dyes, vitamins, minerals or worms, and the answer is minerals. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Number 1 is the dash is where most of the earth's heat is stored, and the answer is core. Second one is the crust is where we live and where the oceans are found. 3 is the outer core is made of molten metal. 4 is the dash is a layer outside the core, mantle. And the last one is we live on the earth. Let's move toward the next page, which is page number 35, and there is a part C. Mark these statements with tick or cross. Part 1 is loam is good for plants, tick. Part 2, clay is found in a desert, cross. 3, there are many different colored soil. Yes, it is right, so tick. 4, humus is made of rotting plants and dead animals. Also right, then tick. Number 5 is the mantle is the layer of the earth outside the crust, cross. Lava is a kind of soil, cross. 7, Limestone is a hard rock cross because we read that limestone is soft rock. 8. Earthquakes can push up mountains. Take number 2. Circle the best answer. There are 3 options for each statement. You have to circle the right one. First, a friend of the farmer, locust, earthworm, monkey, and your right answer is earthworm. Number 2, the best soil for plants, clay, sand, or loam, and right answer is loam. Third one is a precious stone, emerald. Number 4, the inner part of the earth, mantle, core, crust, and the right answer is core. The last one is fifth statement, which is a metal found in the earth, limestone, composite, and silver, and your right answer is silver. It's about page number 36. Number 1, there is given some clues and you have to solve that puzzle. Let's read out the first clue, which is this is the layer of the rock outside the core, mantle. So you have to write in the first column mantle, mantle. Moving toward the next clue, which is number 2, this can push up a mountain. It can also do a lot of damage to man-made structure. Yes, definitely that is earthquake. So you have to write in a second column earthquake. Third one is center of the earth, that is called core, C-O-R-E, core. Fourth, a precious stones of green color. With green color, it is emerald, E-M-E-R-A-L-D. Number fifth is a place where hot gases in the earth come to the surface, and the answer is volcano, V-O-L-C-A-N-O, volcano in fifth one. Number 6 is these give the soil its color. 6 is minerals, M-I-N-E-R-A-L, mineral. It gives color to the soil. 7, second last is this is the good quality soil we need for growing crops, and that is loam, L-O-A-M. Last 8 one is we can write on the blackboard with this soft white rock, and that is chalk. Toward the next page, which is page number 37 of this chapter, part E, answers the following question. And the first question is, what is a volcano? What does it do? Your answer is, a volcano is a place where the hot gases in the earth came to the surface. Sometimes hot liquid rocks called lava pours out. Number 2 question is, what actions make rocks crumble? And the answer is, rocks are broken up into small pieces by water and weather are called, we call this erosion. Number 3 question is, why is the outer core of the earth made of hot liquid molten rock? And the answer is, the outer core of the earth made of hot liquid molten rock because of the high temperature. Number 4, find the odd one out in each of the following. First, mountain, stars, valley, desert, star. Next, gold, minerals, silver or iron. The odd one is mineral because it is not metal. Third is chalk, limestone, granite, gold. Gold because it is a metal and the others are rock. Next, last one is emerald, ruby, garnet and limestone. So, limestone is odd because it is rock and other are precious stones. Okay students, here our chapter is completed. Say Alhamdulillah, thank you.